So let's get started with our fried okra, guys. Here I have some buttermilk, and I'm gonna use some Cajun seasoning, but you could use whatever seasoning, Lori salt, whatever you like. Okay, some onion powder, some garlic powder. And guys, while we are seasoning this buttermilk, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, that like button for me, okay? And I appreciate each one of you that already has subscribed to my channel. I am very humble, and thank you, thank you, thank you. As you could see, I added a little bit of Cajun pepper. I like mine a little spicy, but whatever seasoning you don't like, guys, like I always tell you, you are welcome to take away or add more. All right, so here I have my diced up okra, as you can see, bite size, and I'm gonna let it soak in my buttermilk. All right, and the next step that we are going to do, baby, is to season our flour. This is very important. You have to season that flour, guys. So I just added 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a half a cup of cornstarch, and here I'm adding Louisiana style fish fried cornmeal. Okay, I added, as you can see, like 2 or 3 tablespoons, and then the same seasoning that we use in the buttermilk. Make sure you use the same ones, but the only extra seasoning we adding is salt. Always add some salt to your flour, even if you're using other seasonings, okay? And as you can see, I'm whisking it, and at this point, make sure you taste your flour. Make sure it's well seasoned, and if you need to add more seasoning to your flour, make sure to add it before you start dropping in your okra. All right, so as you can see here, I'm dropping in my okra little at a time. I'm telling you, these okras, they came out pretty good, guys. They came out pretty good. And I went ahead, I ate them with some Louisiana style hot sauce. They were good, okay? They were a nice snack while watching a movie. All right, so if you like okra, you are going to like this fried okra. And again, you could use any sauce, or you could just eat them just like that. It's all preference, okay? There's no right and wrong here. I fry okra different ways, different type. It all depends what I'm in the mood for, really. All right, so this is one of the ways, guys. And as you could see, I am sifting away some of the flour gently off of it before I drop it in the oil. As you can see, all right, you see that? That's what you want. Then I already have my fire on medium high, and I just drop them in there. Make sure they are separated. That's what I'm doing right now. You're always gonna get a little bit of that crumb from the flour, whatever. You know, just take it out. So while we frying the first batch, we start dropping the rest in the flour, so it could have time to stick together. And guys, you know, as you can see, I fold the flour gently when I put the okra in there. You know, you don't do it too rough, because you want it to stick to your okra. So just fold it gently, okay? Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. Look at that pretty that is, guys. Y'all already know I get very excited about my food. Very excited. Look at how pretty that is, okay? And what you do also, after you take this out, you make sure you take out those little pieces that were left out before you drop your second batch in. Second, third, whatever. All right. And this is our second batch. Look at how pretty that is. And guys, you know, with fried okra, as soon as you take it out, that's when you want to eat this stuff. This is you know, and that toward the end, this is what I do. I just add a little bit more Cajun, and of course, you already know I like my parsley. And that's it. This is our final product, guys. This is it. And like I said, they came out really good, very tasty, very delicious. All right. Again, guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you for stopping by, and have a wonderful, blessed day. I will see you in the next recipe. Okay. Bye-bye.